putting question to give you the information. Because I see this my man over there in my life. Sometimes it's America and I'm seeing this thing. But I will transfer into our local language and then you understand it well. Anything where it blows, I will tell you. So we are come to make this thing. Welcome to Uche TV. Aha, na bibia boko there. Really wheezy pow. Hey, very good, very good. Aha. Now, if I want to man, you're frozen.
I shall 1,000 boys.
1,000 boys. 1,000 boys. Oh my goodness, aggressive interview, pa. 1,000 boys. Now we are there, Juma, and at the end, we are
And the association and community, so very busy and
why in a cacra?
It's no the way I who say when it's really a fun well function. So now I guess the next one is something you say. You want to say your gun or by Musican.
Oh, okay. Now, Mammy, Miss your friend is saying, now, tattoos say good, but we can we any wheezy. The wind, our work which in Kawaii and an asset.
Oh, because I the end of a mistake.
Now we are Ghana and I say, we are Nipasa, which any power yet.
Oh, we are Ghana. My it was the slaves, true slaves, none of my name is in Timaway. As I'm beginning 7 and tough. But we might be putting in your Ghana. You live in your Ghana living. We live in.
Sing now. Oh, that's good. That's good. We sing now.
Goodness over.
Oh my goodness.
So we have our farm, which we have a 6,000 Ghana city.
You know, your friend is saying, sir, when I'm and perform is through and I say, and perform who's away at them. Or sometimes this will be a yama. Tattoos won't be good. Sometimes, you know, a lot of things will change.
Oh, I need to do. Life cannot be the same as so. Who will be who knows who also will say, oh, this guy is a nigga. I love that. I love that. But sometimes the people are saying, I will be free because of our appearance. This nigga is a tag nigga. I love that.
Yes.
With me, do be a chip, every because they don't want to be in the bottom, so I'll show my appearance. So, with a bear come full, no, I know.
Oh, okay. Ghana people, what he want to say, or what he's trying to say, or what he want to explain to me, it's not easy. But after you see him performance and everything, I asked him, say, when people see him, sometimes they put some fear. He said no, sometimes he live a good life and everything is working good. But please, let me ask you this. My name is Awasemu. Now, to see how to see how we person we say we see man now say why we live your life like the way you want it.
Yeah, it's my life. We live life.
Camera, me back your mum run and I'm ready here. Okay.
Abucho, so I say, I'm busy US da.
What busy US da?
California. I'm busy, my busy work.
What busy work? Then I will buy Ghana, and then I do buy.
A true mommy, let me channel. By this time, they come in and say, my Kojam. Many know I the motherland, we be a cost no, my mammy. A man for being a buno, so my intimacy without two women else through me, and next time we know chair majors into my own life cannot be the same.
Hey, you're watching now. Camera, my batch of mum funny, near mum funny here.
So go for who ever me. I was sending private tears, no more say tattoo, no, and you're born in any bonnie be an tattoo. Tattoo is a wall function.
Okay.
Yeah, into me, it's a wall function, but some say it's a demon signature.
Sandy be more canon. Okay. But we were down maybe so as a moon. Now, so be found say, be our person who year Juma and Nancy Bibia. Because of the Nipano, you would like to follow an answer to my year Juma and Nancy Bibia. Juma Ben and Kawope.
Oh, Juma, me under some vision, I can best and me. The Chamu in our Senate Bonyo.
When Chamu in a sort of Bonyo,
Senate Bonyo, and I'm 2 million in America or US.
Okay, Ghana people, I'm coming. Ghana people, you see what is doing? Is they having twin brother? Now inside the na Wizzy. In brother is Wizzy. That's Lewin in America. So by all means, if he know maybe art movie, maybe he go sing. So but I'm coming. Let me ask you this. So you will go back or you stay to Ghana here? You won't go back again.
If anything go through between Ghana here, I will stay here. But if you are, I will make go slow, you know. As I'm talking about.
Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. But you are looking so great. But the way I've been watching your body and everything, sometimes I'm coming close to you like I'm put some fear. But you are free.
I'm a freedom empire. That is my label, Freedom Empire.
Okay.
FD. Yeah, Freedom Empire.
Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Okay. Ghana people, what he want to say is this. He says it's free for everybody. You don't have problem with anybody. Anybody when you want to come close, come close. He like it. But I want to ask now 2, now 3 questions before you will go. Please. This is your ghetto, or where do you live? You live here?
It's my ghetto.
This is your ghetto. Okay. But where is your mommy and your dad?
I lost my dad.
You lost your dad?
My mommy is alive.
Mommy is alive, eh? Oh, okay. Mommy is alive. Oh, okay. And this community or this area you are living, this place is too dangerous. But you are planning to live. Are you okay with this place?
I'm very, very okay.
You are very okay.
I'm very, very okay because if you put yourself in trouble and you get a trouble, if you save yourself, if you Southeast is going to be in Paboni.
Oh, you have the Paboni. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Ghana people, see, we are bringing our interview for the end. You say what you know, 1,000
voice.
You say your name is 1,000 voice. 1,000 voice, so it's not easy. So what I want to say is this: people when they say they draw tattoos, when people they fear, he say no, tattoo is not. Now you there, you be function on it, and you like it. No matter how the situation will be, he say when you did, like you feeling good. But sometimes it depends how the way sometimes you go do yourself. So please, my last word. What I want to say, you have friends or you have relatives. If there's something happened to you, who will take you care of you? Or they will send you go to America.
Oh, I have my godfather who is calling Kofi Guy. He's a director.
Oh, okay. You have a godfather.
Yeah.
What is his name?
Kofi Guy.
Kofi Guy. He's a director. Eh?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. So by all means, anything happen, you will make this thing.
It's free.
Oh, okay. All right. But camera, please, I want you to come close to maybe to take him for last one, and then we go bring our this thing. So let me see your teeth. Your teeth. How do you make it? The down one is what?
It's gold.
The down one is gold. The down one is gold.
And the silver.
And the top one is silver.
Silver.
And then what about your this thing? Your tan? Okay. You put pin on it.
Pierce.
You pierce. Oh, okay. Oh, but you don't have pains. You don't feel pains.
The first time you have pain, like 1 week time, the pain will off.
Oh, okay. Please, stand up and the camera will capture you and they see your body well. Oh, okay.
This is my body.
This is your body. That's good. Let me see your back. Aha. Oh, okay. That's good. That's good. That's good. Yes. Oh. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Don't worry about it. Sit down. Sit down. If like somebody want to use you to shoot maybe in a music video, or maybe in a movie, maybe what number maybe they will contact you?
Oh, the contact is.
You have any number?
I have a number.
Okay, yeah. Bring the number.
0244.
Talk to the camera and the camera.
0244.
So person the mutual movie and maybe say.
So person the mutual movie and our person me ba clip mo. Number is simple. 0244 889488. Another 0244 889488. That's my number.
Okay.
I'm available anytime.
Okay. So bibia obetimi aye won.
Bibia
obetimi aye. Hey! You make what? Don't worry about it. But one thing is that one question, my last word. I want to. You have a girlfriend or you have a wife?
I have a guest.
You have guests?
Not a girl. I have guests.
You have guests?
Yes. If I say I get gay, I have guests. Not one, not two. It's over. Like 1,000.
Ghana people, we are bringing our interview for an end. See, what I want to tell you is this. No matter how the situation will be, every day what I say, when the Ghana people say, Kuokitwa, Mamuso, na mekama. So, this interview, when we are making it, not too much. You see, in teeth, hey, don't come and bite me. So, after everything goes, we will go back to you. Subscribe to now Uche TV na best. Now we are on tour, so we are going to village, we are going to na city to city, village to village. Everywhere we will go, we will come close to you and then we will ask what is happening to your na social media and everything. So Ghana people, we are thank you. So now thank you. We go meet again. 1,000 what?
Voice.
1,000 voice.
Yeah.
So Bahamas we go crush. Don't worry about it. Ghana people, bye bye.